Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if apps are not showing notification badges on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. To fix this, first go to the Settings app. Now, tap on Notifications. Here, tap on Advanced Settings. In this menu, go ahead and tap on App Icon Badges. Make sure this is on and specify whether you want to see a number or a dot on app icons. If you want to see notification badges even when Do Not Disturb mode is active, return to the previous menu and tap on Do Not Disturb. Here, scroll down and tap on Hide Notifications. In this menu, disable this Hide App Icon Badges. If notification badges are not working for a specific app, you can long press on its app icon. Then, tap the Info icon. Here, tap on Notifications and make sure this badge option is enabled. If this does not work, you can also check the app settings to see if notifications are disabled from there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.